No yard? No problem. You can grow fresh veggies, herbs, and even fruits on a balcony, doorstep, or windowsill. Container gardening makes it easy, and I'll show you how to get started the right way. So hey, smash that like button if your garden is smaller than your kitchen. Not all containers are created equal. Here's how to pick the right one for your plants. Material matters. Clay pots are breathable but dry out fast, great for Mediterranean herbs. Plastic pots retain moisture better and are lightweight. Fabric grow bags allow air pruning of roots, ideal for root veggies like carrots and potatoes. Self-watering containers are perfect if you forget to water or live in hot climates. Drainage is non-negotiable. Always use containers with drainage holes. You can add gravel or broken pottery at the bottom, but what really matters is proper drainage and a catch tray if you're growing indoors. Next up, what goes into the pot matters just as much. Use potting mix, not garden soil. Garden soil compacts in containers and can suffocate roots. Use a well-draining potting mix with peat or cocoa coir, perlite, and compost. Watering 101. Most containers dry out faster. Stick your finger 1 inch into the soil. If it's dry, water. Morning watering is best to avoid fungus and evaporation. Fertilize regularly. Container plants need feeding. Use a slow-release fertilizer when planting, then supplement every 2 to 3 weeks with liquid organic feed like fish emulsion or compost tea. You can grow almost anything in a container if the size is right and the sunlight fits. Here are some beginner favorites. Herbs like basil, parsley, and mint. Just remember, grow mint alone because it spreads fast. For veggies, try lettuce, radishes, and spinach since they're fast-growing and have shallow roots. If you want larger crops, tomatoes and peppers will need at least a 5-gallon container and more than 6 hours of sun. Fruits like strawberries actually thrive in hanging pots, and dwarf citrus trees do great in barrels with full sun. Place your containers based on light needs. South-facing spots get full sun, while north-facing or shaded spots are best for leafy greens. With just a few containers, you can turn any small space into a thriving food source. Whether it's fresh basil for your pasta or homegrown tomatoes on your porch, container gardening brings the harvest right to your doorstep. So, if you're ready to dig in, hit that subscribe button like you're planting your first seed, and let your garden grow with us each week.